Hey guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video, and today I just want to do a quick unboxing of some new golf shoes that I got. I bought these off StockX, and I didn't know StockX has a China warehouse now, so that was kind of different. So as you can see right here is the Air Jordan 1 Low Golf in the white black Phantom Volt. It has a few more stickers than I'm used to seeing on StockX shoes. It does have this on there, I guess because they were actually from Asia. And that's the back right here. And I was kind of suspect about it, you know, like you don't ever want to buy shoes from China because you always kind of associate that with the factories that make the replicas and stuff like that. But also, I mean, a lot of shoes are made in China. They have a huge market, so I was like, you know, whatever. We'll see how it goes. A lot of people I saw on Reddit were saying a lot of their shoes are coming from China now too, when they order from StockX. So I guess it's just a new warehouse they have built. So I'm gonna take a look at these. We'll see if they look good or not, and we'll kind of just go from there. So opening it up, we do have a quality control sticker and a stamp, so that's pretty good. Here's my StockX receipt right here, my name, the order. We ended up paying $171 after everything. And then taking a look at the shoes, I was expecting them to look perfect anyway because it's supposed to be new, but this is one. As you can see here, we have our StockX tag with the verified authentic thing on there. I really don't order from StockX or GOAT too much, so I don't know that they changed anything. I know they have changed before, like the shape and stuff, but this is what this one looks like here. And then the other one here has the extra laces. So these are some Volt laces that come on there. I'm definitely keeping the black on there. I think it just looks cleaner. And really my idea behind the purchase was I have a few different golf shoes. I have the Air Max 97 Silver Bullets, some Flyknit Racers, and I wanted something just a little bit different. And I went with these because I felt they're pretty neutral and could go with everything. Plus, I think the Jordan 1 Low Golf is like one of the best looking golf shoes out there. It doesn't really have that much of a difference like from the regular Jordan 1 Low. The only thing is it has like a little bit more of like a stud action going down on the bottom for traction. Another difference is it says golf on the tongue, and it also says golf on the insole here. But yeah, I was really digging the colorway. I thought it was really cool. I like the Volt like accents on there. A lot of my stuff like for my golf bag is Volt, so that's pretty cool that it kind of matches that. And then just like white and black, pretty simple. But yeah, like I said, I was kind of thrown off when I saw the shipping was from China and it was going to take a little bit longer than usual. But they came in, they look good to me. I don't see any flaws on them that makes me think otherwise. So yeah, I guess that's more business for StockX. They have a whole new warehouse in a different country, so that's pretty cool. But like I said, like a lot of people on Reddit were kind of questioning if it was going to be real or not because they were coming from China. But I think it's fine. I don't see anything wrong with these. Like I said, I think everything looks pretty good on them. But yeah, just a new pickup from StockX that I wanted to show you guys. I'll be wearing these this weekend when I go golfing with my friends. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. I think they're pretty cool. I think they're really neutral, pretty good looking shoe. Hey, but that is going to be it. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. I'll catch you guys next time.